You don't need money, you don't need experience, and you don't even need to show your face. These are 5 AI side hustles that you can learn from your laptop, not get rich quick overnight, but build real skills that can actually turn into income over time. And the crazy thing is, most people still have no idea that these exist. So, if you're someone who's watching this and who's tired of watching other people win and you're actually wanting to learn something real, this video is for you. And the last idea is the most futuristic one, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video. And if you want one-on-one help from me personally, fill out the link in the description and watch the training. And the first AI side hustle that we have is selling AI websites. Now, what you're going to do is you can either use Google Maps, a lead scraper, or people that you may know and sell them a website that you're not even going to make. So you're going to go find a AI website builder or a template, type in their business name and then the services that they have. And you want to tell them that you made them a free website. And in 5 minutes with the AI website builder, it is going to already build you a website for that business that either 1 does not have a business or 2 has a bad website. And you're going to show them that you've already built them a not only better website, but a new website that's going to rank them higher on Google Maps and get them 3 to 5 more clients every single month. But you just want to say get them more clients so they'll have a higher chance of working with you, because what do businesses want? More clients and customers. So you tell them that you built them a website that'll help get them more clients, that'll rank them higher on Google Maps. They're going to take that offer every single time. And you want to pitch them and tell them that you built them a free website, because everyone likes free stuff. Now, once you do this, you built the website, you hop on a call, they say they like the website, you show them the website. Now what you want to tell them is, in order to publish the website, it'll be $500 and $99 every single month for free, just as a maintenance fee, just in case if they want to update something or change something, and just to keep the website open, because they're going to need their website to stay open so they can keep getting business. So they're not going to pay you. All right, so number 2, we have AI automations that help qualify leads. Now, this one is a very good one, and you can get paid a lot of money for doing this. So, I run a freelance brand scaling business to where I help businesses scale by running ads, and we're bringing the business leads, which are people that are interested in their business. But we don't qualify the leads. And in order to qualify, we charge an extra $1,000 on our end to qualify the leads, to send them only qualified people that are interested in buying, which means they are going to buy. So, of course, we can charge an extra $1,000 per client for just that service alone. And what this is you're putting AI automation tools inside of their business as an upsell on top of ads, because with ads, all you're doing is just running the ads, but the AI automation is going to be qualifying the leads that you're bringing on from the ads as an extra just side money or upsell that you can make from every single business that you bring on. And this is one of the easier ones that you can do, besides AI receptionists and things like that as well. All right, for the side hustle number 3, we have AI receptionist. Now, you've probably already heard of this, but if you haven't, all it is putting AI in a business that has a front desk or a call center to take the calls for them, so they're not paying $5,000 to $10,000 a month per employee for them to just sit at the front desk and answer calls. You're just putting AI in place for them to be answering calls 24/7 instead of 9 to 5 like a regular person. And they're just going to be paying less money. So with AI receptionists, you can charge anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per business. So they're going to pay that $5,000 setup fee and then like $500 every single month, or $250 every single month. And that is way cheaper than paying $5,000 every single month to an employee who's only working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or even less hours. And that is so easy to do. And I'm going to be making a video specifically on how you want to start making AI receptionists for businesses. But you think about every business that has a call center or a front desk, where you can tell them that you build them a AI receptionist to be taking their calls, so they're not having to pay someone from 9 to 5, and instead have something running 24/7 to call, schedule appointments, book appointments, answer just tire kicking questions, any questions that someone may have, to be doing that for them. And for side hustle number 5, we have the best, which is AI freelance brand scaling. Now this, all you're doing is helping any brand, business, anything scale with AI in any way, shape, or form possible, whether it be through creatives, pictures, videos, ads, websites, all full funnel, full stacked, which is AI freelance brand scaling, which is exactly what I do and exactly what you should be doing as well. Now, with doing this is the best because you can stack on all types of your skills and charge more, anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. Now, this one isn't really necessarily a side hustle, but you can do it on the side, but you can turn this into a full-time hustle if you want to. And the crazy thing is, every single one of the side hustles start from the exact same place. Nothing special, just willing to try to when most people won't. And none of this will happen overnight. None of this guaranteed income, none of this guaranteed and none of these are guaranteed income, and none of these work without consistency. But they do work, and they work fast. And they are very learnable, and they are real. Pick whichever one you feel the closest at, and get started right now. Get your first small win, and everything builds from there. Like I said, if you want more one-on-one personal help from me personally, watch the training in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe.